Hi everyone, this is Ravina from Couple Ventures. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing idea to make puris that we use for Pani Puri, Golgappa or Puchka. We love Pani Puri and we believe a lot of you who are watching this video love it too. Hence, we thought of sharing this amazing and simple idea to make puris with all of you. Guess what? We make puris in the microwave. We make fresh and crisp puris in just 50 seconds. You will need to buy a flat puri packet from the market. Next step is to lay the puris in the microwave and set a timer of 50 seconds. See how they start popping up. The best part is that the puris are oil-free, crispy and fresh. Please do try this method at your house and let us know if it helped you. We love sharing creative ideas in the kitchen with the help of our channel. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.